how to prep skis with Ulla only. So use our cleaner and conditioner first, put it on the base, wipe it onto the base evenly with a paper, a little bit absorbing. Throughout evenly, and then take your little steel brush, take away the excess, and use our horsehair brush to dry the product. It will condition the base for your first layer. The product is dry. Next step is to use our Marathon Orange Liquid. New labels are on the website. Marathon Orange Liquid, and put a thin layer throughout the base. Not too much. This product is very concentrated, so a thin layer. If you feel there is too much product, use the cloth again and evenly put it on without much pressure to the base. Here we are. Now we have to dry the product with wool, of course. Dry the product onto the base with wool. It's very quick to do, doesn't require a lot, and your skis are prepped. You can finish by brushing the layer and repeat the whole thing 3 times with Ulla Marathon Orange as a base prep. A long-lasting, very concentrated, all-round multi-grade ski wax. Thank you.